Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2000 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. The number of comparators in a 4-bit flash ADC is, flash ADC is also called as parallel ADC, okay, or comparator ADC. So how many number of comparators are present in a 4-bit flash ADC? So you can think that one we are going with a 4-bit flash ADC, that is analog to digital converter. So the meaning of this one is nothing but we are going with 4-bit flash ADC. The meaning of this one is the given analog input. Let us assume this is a given analog input VA. Given analog input is going to be converted into 4-bit digital output. So this is 4-bit digital output. Okay, so 4-bit digital output implies nothing but there will be 2 power 4 unique combinations, which is nothing but 16 output combinations are there. Output combinations are there. Depending on the analog signal magnitude, you may be get the output as any one of these 16 possible combinations is going to be your output. If the magnitude is large, at that time you will be getting a higher combination. Otherwise, it may be the lower combination starting from 0 0 0 in that way. Okay, so here it is. What we are discussing is 4-bit flash ADC. It is also called as 4-bit parallel ADC. Parallel ADC. So parallel ADC, the meaning of parallel ADC is nothing but here the analog input is directly connected, is directly compared to 16 digital combinations. Okay, so analog cannot be compared with digital, so that first of all that has to be converted back to analog, then it will be compared. For that one it requires parallel, implies nothing but all possible combinations will be compared with analog signal, so that whatever the required one, that will be the output. Whatever the more accurate one, that will be the output. So internally a 4-bit flash AD converter will be consisting of a encoder. It will be consisting of a encoder. That encoder is going to be having 4 bits output, and this is 16 to 4 encoder. That 2 priority encoder it will be consisting of 16 to 4 priority encoder. So there will be 16 lines present at the inputs. Okay, so this is starting from 0 1 2 3 till 15. So priority encoder is going to be encoding the input analog signal into digital one. Okay, so here we are going with 16 inputs, and in general normal encoder without priority, by that time the restriction is nothing but only one of the inputs must be active and all other 15 must be deactive. But in case of priority encoder, there is no restriction that only one input should be active. There can be any number of inputs, maybe all, maybe any number of inputs may be active, but it will give the priority to the highest analog magnitude. So based on that one, that highest priority signal will be converted into digital ones, and that will be giving the output of priority input. That is input with priority. Input with priority. Even though it will be consisting of many active input signals, out of that one which has the highest priority, that will be given the digital code as the output. So for that one you must compare. 0 implies nothing but logic 0, that will be directly connected to ground. It doesn't require any comparator. But for everything, for all others are going to be having different magnitudes. So you must compare the analog signal with each and every input. So definitely you require a comparator for every input of priority encoder except for the ground. So that implies nothing but here we require 15 comparators for a 4-bit ADC. 15 comparators. If it is for n bit, at that time you require 2 power n minus 1 comparators. So for n bit flash ADC, for n bit flash ADC, that is parallel ADC. So the name parallel has come because input signal is parallelly compared with all possible inputs of priority encoder except for the ground, so that it requires 2 power n minus 1 number of comparators. So So in the question it was asked about the 4 bit. So n is equal to 4. 2 power 4 is 16, minus 1 is nothing but 15. So the right answer for this question is C. 15 is going to be the answer. That is 15 number of comparators are required. Thank you.